watching out for you. This is Storm Team 8.
And one after another, the storm systems just keep on rolling in. You can see on Storm Track Live Radar this next batch of snow pushing its way toward West Michigan. If you're watching Daybreak this morning, they were tracking it for you. And what I actually want to do is stop this radar on its last frame there and try to track this out for you, because it is moving to the southeast at about 40 miles an hour, already coming into the Muskegon area. Their latest observation does show some light snow into Grand Rapids, still about 45 minutes or so. It's going to be a little bit longer before it makes it to, say, the Allegan County area, about an hour and 15 minutes, up to 131 in about an hour and a half. And as the snow moves through, I'm not expecting a huge snow dump, but just enough to make the roads a little bit on the slick side. And where the heaviest snow is expected, Muskegon to Oceana and Mason counties along the northwest lakeshore, we do have that lake effect snow advisory in effect through 7 p.m. And here's what we're thinking for snow. Remember, I said not a huge snow dump, about 1 to 3 inches area wide. 3 to 5 inches here, assuming we can get a little help from Lake Michigan. The winds are in the process of turning south and southwest, and it may pick up just enough moisture to boost some of those totals northwest of Grand Rapids, especially north of the Holland area. That advisory runs through 7 p.m. So this is a quick hitting storm system. We're going to dry things out tonight. I think we'll see more breaks in the cloud cover, which means colder temps. This morning we were 2 in Grand Rapids. We were in the below 0 category north and northeast of us, and I think we could see temperatures close to that again tomorrow morning. Another round of snow is going to move in Thursday after a very quiet Wednesday. In fact, we have a chance to see the sun for the first time in 9 days coming up here tomorrow. And then following that snow on Thursday, we do have a pretty nice weekend coming up, assuming it is the middle of February. Temperature now is 24 degrees in Grand Rapids, 27 at the Holland Regional Airport, 23 apiece from Kalamazoo east to Battle Creek. Wind speeds, you can see how they're mainly out of the south, starting to get that south-southwesterly component here toward the Muskegon area. That's what we'll need to boost those snow totals along the northwest lakeshore. And the fact that the wind speeds are a little higher today means, well, those wind chills are holding in the low teens. Feels like 11 right now in Grand Rapids. Pretty balmy compared to the 2 this morning. Here's the 24-hour forecast. You can see at 6 p.m. just a little bit of lake effect left, but the main batch of the snow is already pushed to the southeast. Temps will be in the 20s. And here we go, drying things out tonight. Winds are going to relax as well and turn to the northwest. Temperatures fall into the teens by midnight. Here we are at 6 a.m. Single figures almost everywhere with the exception of the lakeshore. Some of those locations north and northeast of Grand Rapids, I could see you close to 0 by early tomorrow morning. Here's a little bit of sunshine for your noon hour, and then here come the clouds. We are going to be looking at those temps in the mid to upper 20s. With some of that snow coming in for Wednesday night and Thursday. Now, Thursday's looking quite interesting to me. If you remember, we were talking the last couple of days, the rest of Storm Team 8 and myself, about we may be integrating a little bit of that icy mix for locations near and south of Interstate 94. That's looking like less and less of a possibility, but the amount of snow we're expecting may be increasing. Right now, we have 2 to 5 inches. Heaviest of that would be just north of Interstate 96, but some of our newest information coming in indicating some of those numbers could be a little bit higher, so we'll keep an eye on that. But then Friday and Saturday looking pretty nice with temps closer to 30.
So that 2 to 5 inches on Thursday, that's what you're looking at?
Yeah,
potentially changing.
Could be a little bit higher than that.
Okay.
Thursday could be a rough commute, especially in the morning, and then carrying over into the afternoon, and a heavier snowfall as well in terms of how the snow falls. Not the light fluffy snow, a little bit more water to it. Snowman snow, if you will.
Okay, thank you.